Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I very seldom get excited about something, but with Christmas 6, 7 weeks away, this is a great product that anybody can do. It's an ornament. You can change the size, you can change the name. And we're going to get into that first, and then I'm going to get into how I put it together using three different vendors that have through the years have sent me samples. Uh, but first, we're going to talk about Cuddle. I'm going to leave all three of these links at the bottom of my video. This is Cuddle, and they've come up with something so easy. So you just type in, and let's say you're going to change it to Jones, and then you're going to type in Leah, hit the enter bar, Brandon, Kyle, and they're all caps. They don't have to put caps. And then Brianna. It figured it out. And I mean, I haven't looked at a Scrabble board, but like K is a 5, Y is a 4, B is a 3. I would think these are correct, but it, matched the N with Brianna to Brandon and matched the A and the L with Kyle and Leah. And you're done. So I'm going to save this. And I'm going to save, I've already done one for this. This is my kids. I'm going to call this 3. And I'm going to download the SVG. Now I put it in my folder. And I go back to Corel. And Cuddle has it's unbelievably good. But there's a couple things you have to do afterwards. And I'm going to send this to Cuddle and maybe so I'm going to import that file, go to downloads, there's Brandon or Leah 3. It comes in as an SVG. Now I already changed it to 3 inches, 3.5 to fit on my 4-inch wood. But then, well, you know what? I really want to break this up in the video into 2 parts, and I think I will. I'm going to make a part 2. Cuddle gives you this, and you would mark the wood to be able to put it in on the back. But I eliminated that with another process. So I'm going to stay tuned for part 2, and we'll talk about dual tight that I used, Cuddle, and true flat plywood that I used. It's basically a painted product, but it just wipes off because it's got a high dollar or a high quality acrylic on it. And this product is called Linen. And so far I've used it the most because it really makes things pop out. There's the back of it. Anyway, so stay tuned for part 2 and be excited. Thank you for watching.